Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. Glam Bag Plus box? Ipsy Glam Plus? I don't know what they call it now. It's not a bag. They don't even send a bag anymore. That's okay. We're going to go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. There is a card, which I'm going to pull out. I am loving the bright yellow styrofoam in here, by the way. I think it's really super cool. And then there is my box. So I did take a peek, and I'm excited about this month. So they do have a little accordion card that has all the products listed on it here, and I will be referring to that as we go. So I'm going to pull probably the item that I'm least excited about, only because I have a full bottle of this, and I just don't use it very often. I'm going to go get my full bottle real quick. All right, so here's the one I just got in the bag. This is my bottle, and it's got like oil, so I'm going to shake mine up. This one I'm going to put into a giveaway because I just don't use this. And I'll tell you why in a second. Let's go ahead. I'll tell you what it is, first of all. It is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. Nourishing mist. So it's like a hydrating mist. And if you guys have seen any of my foundation reviews, you know that I am in love with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I love it. I use it all the time. I also have a rose spray from Pixi that I absolutely love, but this one I just can't seem to figure out. It's very heavy, very oily, and I just don't like it on my skin. Maybe it's because I don't have very dry skin, and that might be why. I'm not sure, but I'm not a huge fan of this because of that reason. You can see in the one that I did not, I think you could be able to see in the one that I did not shake up, there is a layer of oil on the top. And I bet for people who have dry skin, this is probably amazing for you guys. And I'm going to have to say maybe I will have to use it in the winter when my skin does get drier. I might have to do that. But this one is going to go in my giveaway box. So let's go ahead and find it on the card. This is Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. Step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Tip: shake it up. Mist onto skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. I'm going to go ahead and just spray this on the back of my hand. So here's the back of my hand. I did have some makeup on there. I'm going to go ahead and spray this on the back of my hand just so you guys can see it. Whoa, I sprayed too much. I sprayed too much. You can't see anything. What was I thinking? It's a spray. Yeah, just not my favorite. The other two that I have, I am in love with, but this one, not my favorite. So you guys might really enjoy it. Okay, I'm going to pull the next item out here, which is from Pure Release. This is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. It's the lightweight, oil-free gel cream, which I'm liking. I don't like oil-based moisturizers. So the packaging's super cute. I'll show it to you here in a second. It is a reflective box that has little watermelons all over it. And it is a squeezy tube. It does have a safety seal. I'm not going to open that. If you've seen my channel and any of my unboxings, I don't typically open items with safety seals on it unless I'm 100% certain that I'm going to use the product, because if I can give it away to you guys, I will. So this is the Pure Release Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. Aside from being one of our fave summer fruits, watermelon is so good for your skin. It's the star ingredient in this lightweight balm, packed with vitamins A, C, and E to help hydrate, brighten your complexion, and regenerate your skin cells. Plus, aloe vera and cucumber work together to calm inflammation and reduce redness, and white tea extract protects your skin cells from damage. Tip: apply a pea-sized dots onto your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Use your fingers to smooth it evenly all over your face. So I think I'm probably going to give this a try, but like I said, I have so many products open. It does say it's good for 18 months after opening, but I'm just going to leave it sealed for now, and we'll give it a try sometime in the future. All right, the next item in here, I'm actually really excited about this. And you guys might be like, Jessica, really? But I am. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara for length and volume from Thrive Cosmetics. and it is in the shade Bryn, which is rich black. The reason why I'm so excited about this is twofold. Number one, the ads are all over Facebook, and this is a heavy product. The ads are all over Facebook. I swear every time I go onto Facebook, this pops up and it shows like a beautiful person with like no lashes, and then side by side with the same beautiful person with like humongous lashes. So I'm very excited about that, to give it a try. It's super heavy though. I didn't realize it was that heavy. The other reason, oh here, I'll show you the picture. On the back of the box here, you can see it is a beautiful person without the mascara and a beautiful person with the mascara, and the lashes on the with is significantly more volumized than the person without. Supposedly the same person with no fake lashes, which I find that hard to believe. Anyway, Kathleen Lights raves about this, and I have considered purchasing this for a while because she raves about it. So anyway, I'm going to put it back in the box because I am not going to open it right now. I'm going to refrain from doing so. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn. A single swipe of this volumizing, lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition, separates lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. Tip, hold the wand horizontally at the base of your lashes and swipe mascara outward towards the tips. Apply another coat, including all the tiny inner corner lashes, and let it dry. Finish off the look by swiping a coat onto your lower lashes. So I'm excited to give that a try. I am going to hold off for now. I'm excited to see how it holds up against my favorite mascara, which is Benefit Roller Lash. We will see. All right, the next item I'm going to pull out here, let's pull this one out because I did not put any highlighter on today because I knew this was in here. This is from Huda Beauty. It is the 3D highlighter palette. Doesn't want to come out of the plastic. There it goes. All right, so again, beautiful people everywhere. And, okay, beautiful person inside. And then it does have 4 highlighter shades, and it says, oh wait, maybe it's not 4 highlighter shades. So there's Capri, Santorini, Azores, and Ibiza. So it says apply Capri as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. 2 set dabbed Santorini from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. 3 sculpt, apply the Azores under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. And 4 flush, sweep Ibiza on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. So this is a blush. This is supposed to be kind of like a bronzer. That's definitely not a bronzer shade though. That's the highlighter, and I'm not quite sure what the base to smooth skin is. It's a cream. Are these all creams? That is a cream. The first one, Capri, is a cream. Okay, Santorini is a powder, so is the Azores and Ibiza. That is what it looks like. This is the cream here. All right, so there they are. This is the cream, this is Santorini, Azores, and then Ibiza. All right, I don't often use cream highlighters. I'm not opposed to them, I just don't often use them. So maybe I'll have to give this a try. Honestly, the reason I don't often use them is because I forget to put them on before I put my face powder. So, and I pretty much powder my face all the time. Every time I'm wearing makeup, I usually powder my face just because I do get oily in the summer. So that I'm excited about. I'm going to go ahead and put some highlighter on because I don't have any highlighter on right now. So I'm going to go into Santorini with my brush here, and I have a mirror over here standing by. Okay. I'm not sure that that would work for everyone, but it does work for me. It's actually not as bright as I thought it was going to be honest with you, given that it's like a white highlighter. I expected it to be more bright. Okay, there he goes. You can build it up for sure. So, all right. Okay, I'm excited for that. I am surprised about the cream, but that is not anyone's fault but my own. I was just not aware that there was a cream in here. All right, what does the packaging say, the card say about the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in Pink Sands? Okay, we're head over heels for anything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates. With a mix of 1 creamy and 3 pressed powder pearlescent highlighters, this palette has everything you need to customize your glow. Tip, apply Capri onto the high points of your face, like your cheekbones, chin, cupid's bow, and down the bridge of your nose as a base. Dab Santorini from your cheeks to your temples. Suck in your cheeks and apply Azores under your cheekbones to add dimension and shape, and finish by sweeping EBates onto the apples of your cheeks for a radiant blush. All right, I'm still excited about that, even though I didn't know there was a cream. And then the last item in here is this right here from Naked Cosmetics. It says if it's not naked, it's not natural. Okay. And this is a 4-pack of eyeshadows, loose pigments, I believe. So it's packaged up right now. It's got plastic all around it. I'm not going to open it right now because honestly, me and loose products sometimes make a huge mess. But I don't know how much it will show up on there, the shades, but that is what it looks like. Okay. So this is the Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set. Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled loose pigments blend so easily. Mix and match them to create endless eye looks. Tip, use a dense shader brush to apply SNO2 all over your lids so they don't have names, they just have numbers. SNO2 all over your lids, blend NN01 into your eye crease, smudge SN04 or SN05 along your lower lash line with a damp angled eyeliner brush. But don't stop at eyes. You can also use these pigments as a highlighter or mix with your favorite lip glosses and nail polishes to make them shimmery. Okie dokie. So let's talk about my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I have the 4 pigments from Naked Cosmetics, which I don't have a whole lot of pigments because I don't normally buy a lot of pigments. Mascara, which I'm probably most excited about the mascara. That's probably weird to some of you guys, but that's what I'm most excited about. The Huda 3D palette, which I'm also pretty excited about. The Purelisse Energizing Aqua Bomb, which pretty cool. And the thing that I'm least excited about is this one, just because I know that I don't like the way it feels on my skin. I love Pixie Mists. This one is just not my favorite. So anyway, that is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July 2019. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button. I'm really trying to hit 800 subscribers, so if you aren't subscribed yet, I would absolutely appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. And leave any comments you have in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts on the box that I received? Did you receive the same products? I think the Glam Bag Plus is pretty standard across the board. I don't know that they do too many variations with the Glam Bag Plus. But if you got anything different, let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!